Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Issa Kamaldin and this is the segment of the YouTube channel called the Twin Trades episode where I come to analyze the forex market and give you guys the potential trading opportunities in the market. So I think I need to adjust. Yeah, good. So I'm very sorry. I know I've been away for quite some times now, but one thing about me, I just like to let the market breathe and let the market do its thing. Like because if you end up forcing trades, you end up making unnecessary losses. So although I made some couple of losses that made me stay out of the market, but then I just my last trade was in profit. So I said I thought to myself I should come and share it with you guys. So we are going to kick off with the Solana USD. You guys know, like, lately I've been trading crypto a lot lately because the forex market has not just been moving nicely. To be honest, guys, I don't know if I'm the only one, or like I'm the only one encountering this, or probably that's how my strategy is, like, due to my strategy, that's why I've not been seeing entries. But for me, I feel the forex market has not just been going right lately. So that's why I've been trading crypto lately. So I'm going to kick off with the Solana USD on the weekly time frame. So what can you spot on the weekly time frame? I spot the market moved into a resistance bar as at last year, as a resistance level as at last year. Sorry guys, I'm just used to the word saying bar. So I'm very sorry. Pardon me for that. So the market moved to a resistance level as at last year. So the market bounces off the resistance level, and this is also a major level. Although the market, I said to myself, I thought the market is going to break below this because if the market should break below this level, then our next level target for Solana will be $40 per coin. But the market didn't do that, came to test this minor level, so which I'm going to go over to the daily time frame now, so you guys can get to see better. But what I want to try to explain to you guys on the monthly time frame is that although the market bounces off a resistance level, and it is it, it was unable to break below this support level too, so we are more or less like in a range. But it is not, if we should go to daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, we'll be able to see lots and lots of trading opportunities. But just on the or the weekly time frame, we can't be sure where next the market is ready to go. So although I can spot something like a left shoulder head, and I think the market is ready to form a right shoulder here. But the thing about the market is that you don't have to guess about anything. You don't get about anything. You just let the market do its thing, because the market, we might be anticipating the market to come to this level to give us a right shoulder, then the market will break below and be on its way to the downside. So to avoid any to like to to avoid any embarrassment, or how do I put it, you just have to stay neutral in the market and let the market do its thing and be reactive, and then you will react to what the patterns that the market has showed you. You don't have to be proactive, because being proactive is you acting before the market has played out, before the market play or do before the market do its thing. So we are going to be reactive. Like, we just wait for the market to do its thing before we decide what to do. So in this case, like I said, I don't see any clear direction for long term trading opportunity for Solana. What I mean by long term is that, there are sometimes that we will hold trades for days. There are sometimes that we hold some couple of trades for days. But in this case, for days and weeks and months, there have been times that, if you should check my channel very well, you get to see that there are times that I've held trades for months. So, but in this case, this is not the case. We won't be able to do that. But nevertheless, we have some couple of trading opportunities on the lower time frame, like the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame, because I just made lots of profit on a trade on the 4 hours time frame, which I'm still going to show you guys. So there's no clear direction for Solana USD on the weekly time frame. But if you should go to the daily time frame, as you guys can see, as the markets failed to break below this level, because if you guys notice, this is lower low, this is lower high, this is another lower low. The market is supposed to come here, like the market is supposed to come here to give us another low, to give us another lower high, then go ahead and give us another lower low, like being lower than this one. But the market didn't do that. The market just spiked all the way to the upside into a minor level. This is a minor level, but we are on the lower time frame, so it is also a very powerful level. So the market came into this minor level. The market, as you guys can see, what the market did, the market just came down. Yeah, it was unable to break lower. So I said to myself, I think this is a pattern. I think the market is trying to show me a pattern. And which pattern is that? Since the market is unable to break below, then I drew my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low. As you guys can see, you guys should get to see from here. So I drew my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low. I don't know if you guys can see very well. This is the market is right at this Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know how powerful this Fibonacci retracement level is. You've seen me use it on here a couple of times, and I also noticed something here. This is an inverse left shoulder head. Although the market is right at the neckline, we don't know if the market will come back here will come back to this major level. And you guys can also see this is also a very a major level, because the market has reacted to it a couple of times in the past. So I don't know if the market will come here to come and fulfill that level. I'm not sure about that. Like to come and fulfill the inverse right shoulder. We don't know what the market has to do. So we just have to chill on it. So by the way, I'm going to go over to the 4 hour time frame to show you the case that I took on Solana that made me that made me a lot of profit. So as I was saying, the market came here, tested this, like came to this level here. Then I took my Fibonacci level from, as you guys know, I like to use this Fibonacci to a lot. So I did my Fibonacci level. The market was right at this level here, because I need to go all over um to the lower time frame, so you guys can get to see better. So the market was around there. So I did my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low again. Then the market came into the 0.5 retracement level. That is the half of the trend. The market came to retrace for a while at the half of the trend, which is also one of the two powerful Fibonacci retracement level. So the market came here, like it did. I didn't get in this move here, because if the market has to, like, if the market has to, if I were to get into a trade, the market will at least confirm to me with a chart pattern. So in this case, there is no any chart pattern yet, so I didn't enter the trade. But the market came around there, came back here to give us a chart pattern, which is a double bottom. Because if you guys can see, this is one bottom and this is another bottom. So I drew my counter trend line. The Sorry guys, I'm just a little bit distracted. So I drew my counter trend line. The market came around there. I was supposed to enter from here, but I noticed something here. I know I'm just going to swing it like so I noticed, like, there is a big rejection around there. Because one thing about like one skill that you have to have as a very as a trader is, you have to be very observant. So I observed that, like, there is a big rejection here. So I drew a level here. Like I just left the level there. So when the market came around there, the market pulled back. The market was unable to break above. So I said to myself, good. I think I made the right choice by drawing this level here. So I said to myself, the only way I'm going to be entering this trade if the market should break above this level. That's the only way I'm going to be entering this trade. So I'm just going to go over to the 2 hour time frame. So good. So as I was saying, guys, I put this level here. I said I said to myself, the only way I'm going to be entering this trade if this market should break above here. So when the market break above here, I think if I should go all over to the this entry was on this 2 hours time frame, but when like I didn't wait for the candle to close because I saw a big like the market was coming back here. I saw a big rejection back up into like above. It didn't close below this level here. It closes on that level, and then the next another candle closes above the level. So I knew like we are on our way to the upside because the conference has told us a lot of things. Which what are the conferences? Like this is the Fibonacci retracement level, um the market structure, the counter trend line break, and the double bottom. So and this 2 year is a very big conference because the market didn't reject like you guys know, like the market this did not bounces off this resistance level. It closes on it. Then the next candle, as you guys can see, the market has been reacted to it even before that time. So even before the rejection. So the next candle closes above that level. I knew we are about to go all the way to the upside. So I got into the trade and I made all of this profit up to this point there. Why is my trade not why is my profit target not on the 100% retracement? It is very simple. If I should go over to the to the sorry guys, if I should go over to the 4 hours time frame, you guys will see like this is a resistance level. So I knew that's where the market is going to go because this is also a demand level. If you guys can notice, if you guys notice this very well, this is also a demand level. You can see the market reacted to it around there. That's what made the market to bounce off this level here. This demand level is what made this trade to bounce off this level here. So to come back to the 150 the Fibonacci level, the Fibonacci retracement level. Yeah. So this is the demand level that made. So I knew like the market is going to go around there. So I just draw my profit target, my tools to draw my profit target up to that extent. So that's how I made a nice 1 to 2 weeks to reward on this trade. So what's next for the Solana? The next thing for Solana, the next thing I can notice is that you guys know it is still like if at all a trend is going to change. You know, I keep saying this. I always say this all the time. If at all a trend is going to change, guys, it will at least give us a chart pattern. So although if you should this doesn't look like a trend on this 4 hours time frame, but if you should go over to smaller time frames like 1 hour, 30 minutes, this small move here is also a very big trend. So if at all this trend is going to change, it will at least confirm to us that yes, I'm ready to change. Although we haven't been able to break above this resistance because the markets like came back down. We've not been able to break above it. But then again, I don't think we are ready to go all the way to the downside because if we are ready to go all the way to the downside, it will at least give us a chart pattern. So since the market hasn't done that yet, we don't know what the market has to do. It might do that later. But since the market hasn't done that yet, I'm just going to draw my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low to see the potential a potential sorry guys, a potential um sorry I'm very sorry guys. A potential retracement level, a potential retracement level. Sorry, guys. You guys will. It has been it has been quite some time on here. So I forget my lines and you get. Just pardon me for this. Next time, I'm not going to be away for lots and lots of time. So this won't keep happening. So like since we've been away for quite some time. Oh, sorry, guys. Since like the market doesn't give us a chart pattern, so we drew a potential Fibonacci retracement level. So what we all we just have to do is to wait for the market to come around there. As you guys can see, this is also a smaller trend on its own. If you should go all over to the 15 minutes time frame, you see this is also a trend. So there is a retracement on this downtrend here too. I don't want to go in depth into it, but I can see a trading opportunity already here. So since the market is hasn't reached that level yet, what we just have to do is to wait for the market to come into that level. And then I can also spot a demand level. I don't know if the demand level has played out already. This is also a demand level. Or you guys, I don't know. Let me go all over to the sorry guys. I just have to delete this too. Let me go all over to the 1 hour time frame so you guys can get to see. So before this impulsive move, as you guys can see, this is also a demand level here. If I should draw it, this is also a demand level. So I'll be waiting for the market to come into this level here. Although we can't just start buying or like we can't just start buying immediately the market's coming into that zone here. We have to confirm with another thing. And what other thing can we use to confirm? As you guys know, I like to use the counter trend line break strategy to enter the market, and that's what we are going to use to confirm if the market, if truly that yes the market is if truly that yes the market is ready to obey to this to play out the demand level that we see and the Fibonacci retracement. So all we just have to do is to wait for this counter trend line break. If the market should come to this zone here and it is giving a buy impulsive move, all we just have to do is to wait for the counter trend line wait of this counter trend line of this trade. That's all what we have to do, guys. It is not that complicated. That's all we have to do. So we are just going to chill. Although the market might come all the way to the upside and start going to the upside, then this trade will be invaluable. But that's not the end of the world, guys. There will still be lots and lots of trade we are going to take, and I'm very sure I'm going to become I'm very serious about this. I'm going to be coming on here and lots of time. Like I'll be coming here frequently, guys. So as I was saying, we just have to wait for the market and let it do its thing. So anything, we just have to sit on our hands. If the market should come into this zone here, draw a counter trend line, connect the peaks of the market, and if the market should break it, as you guys can see, like this is almost like the same thing I did there. Like this is the same thing I did there. So just look how I was able to get into this trade here. Look it, replicate it here and use it as a guide for you to enter this trade if this demand level should play out, because markets might come into this demand level and might not be able to play out, and it will just spike all the way to the downside. We are not like we don't know what the market has to do. We don't control the markets. We only act to what the market shows us. So that's it about Solana USD, guys. And as you guys can see, we don't have much more time left. We only have about 2 minutes left. So I'm going to come on here next week, inshallah, to give you guys another trading opportunities. But that will be all for today, guys. As you guys can see, we don't have much more time left. So with the remaining time, I will just have to discuss some things with you guys. So um one thing I would like to discuss with you guys, because I made couple of losses lately, and which affected my account significantly affected my account. So one thing I would like you guys to pay attention to is trading psychology, guys. Don't play with trading psychology, because I didn't even notice at the time that I made a loss. Then I was trying to revenge trading. Then I lost all the profit I've made. So one thing you guys should not try to underrate or underestimate is trading psychology. You have to take it very serious. Although I will be coming on here to give you guys some tips I'm learning also, because this is also a phase of my own trading journey. So I'm also learning this. But as you guys know, anything I learn, I try to come on here to talk to you guys about it and to share with you guys. So anything new, I'm currently learning some things, but once I feel I'm better at it enough to talk to you guys about it, surely I'm just going to come here. Trust me, guys. I'm going to come here and do that. So thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you guys. Bye.